Looking for a hassle-free way to keep your Topeak ride case or smartphone dry bag within easy reach while driving? The RideCase car mount offers exactly that, a tool-free installation with a powerful suction cup that sticks firmly to your windshield. It's designed to keep your phone visible and accessible without distracting you from the road. What sets this mount apart is its flexibility. You can easily adjust the angle and rotate your device between landscape and portrait views, so whether you're using GPS, streaming music, or taking calls, your screen stays perfectly positioned. At just 100 grams, it's lightweight yet built to last, matching the quality you expect from Topeak products. One user from the United States praised the mount's practicality, calling it a solid addition for anyone with a RideCase-equipped phone. The 360-degree swivel and pivoting arm lock securely in place, offering smooth adjustments without sacrificing stability. It's the same reliable build quality that makes the RideCase popular for biking, now optimized for your car. After using the RideCase for months, this customer finally added the car mount, and immediately saw the difference. No more fumbling with your phone or awkward setups. It's a seamless extension of your RideCase experience, bringing convenience from your bike to your vehicle. If you're already invested in the Topeak RideCase ecosystem, this car mount is worth a look. It keeps your phone safe, accessible, and perfectly positioned for every drive. Plus, the quick, tool-free setup means you can install or remove it in seconds, no extra tools or complicated instructions needed. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or taking a road trip, this mount helps you stay connected and hands-free. It's a simple upgrade that changes how you interact with your phone on the go, making your drives safer and more enjoyable. Ready to enhance your RideCase experience behind the wheel? Try the RideCase car mount when you're ready to combine convenience, durability, and smart design. It's a small investment with big benefits for your daily drive. Don't let your phone get lost in the car chaos. Keep it secure, visible, and easy to use with the Topeak RideCase car mount, your perfect companion for every journey.